gonna give these people a show. Either I crash or they I enjoy me swinging this corner pretty good. Welded diff U-turn in the rain as well. Hey, peep the sound system though with the FM transmitter and the stock E36 speakers. That bass hitting, dude. That bass hitting. All right, everybody, what is good? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a little bit of a little POV drive right now. It's quite chilly right now. Ignore the brake light failure. I got freaking LED taillights and I'm too lazy to put a resistor in. Whatever. It's a good 37 degrees out. It is snowing a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see. The tint is yeah, honestly, the more I drive this car at night, the more I regret putting dark tint on this thing. So I might at least rip the windshield off. I mean, there's no windshield tint on. Yeah, I might rip the tint off and go lighter so I can actually see at night. Other cars that I had, the other Genesis and everything, those are fine at night, but this thing, I don't know what it is. But yeah, but we're doing a little bit of POV drive. We're gonna have some fun, because you know, Welded Diff E36 plus snow / wet road equals fun time. Well, that's if I don't like Mac, but yeah, I'm just gonna take it easy. I don't have the most experience drifting this car yet. I haven't really swung it a whole lot yet, but the rain is a good place to get started and really get me comfortable with the car. Now I know it's completely different than sliding on like drive pavement and stuff like that. It's a lot faster and stuff like that, but driving in the rain is still good practice. So yeah, I'm just gonna cruise around. I got the freaking GoPro on my head. Hope you guys can see. Well, I'll crack the window a little bit so you guys can see. Good old Christmas lights out here. Dude, this thing is literally just, it's literally just butter in the went on the complete opposite side of the road there. I didn't even mean to do that. But dude, look at that. It was just literally butter. Literally butter. I'm gonna be careful. I'm gonna try not to freaking Mac this thing. Yeah, like I said, I don't have much experience drifting this thing, especially in the snow. I mean, especially with the Welded Diff, dude, it literally just, any gas, just in the rain, just, it's just, you know what I mean? GoPro's annoying. Like, what is, like, GoPro's annoying. Like, I got that preview, but then now I start recording, it's like, oh, preview's not available. Like, really, dude? And I looked it up, it was like, oh, only on the GoPro 12. It's like, really? But apparently we're supposed to get a bunch of snow tonight. It's about, what, 6:30 right now? 6:30, and it feels like it's freaking 10 o'clock, dude. But, I mean, look at this, look at this. Okay, I didn't really spin that much that time, but the Infinity is not winterized, so I have to take this out whenever I want to go out now. Because I gotta place both front CV axles and change the wheels and raise the car probably a hair. But I didn't realize it was gonna snow, and I haven't done that yet, so gotta take this thing out. I'm gonna go see if we can go hit up like a parking lot or something like that. I can go skid around in and not really have a worry about, well, less worry about cops. And I mean, well, this is all like AI generated anyways, but like, you know what I mean? Yeah, look at this, my freaking window's all fogged up. Like, what? Oh, maybe it is snowing. Maybe I'm just tweaking. I did not see that snow. Yo, where am I at right now? I don't even know where I'm at. Oh, you know what? Hey, let's go look at some Christmas lights, boys. We can go watch Christmas lights, boys. I got dark tint. Nobody, oh, never mind. The rear windshield's not tinted. Uh-oh. People are gonna see that I'm alone in here. That's embarrassing. All right. Yeah, look at that, dude. Little Christmas light show. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. Look at that, dude. That's pretty cool. Yeah, miss me with that, though. This looks a little, what's going on here? This looks pretty, oh, my freaking GoPro's hitting the roof. Hope you guys can see. This is looking kind of cool, guys. Like, is this just me, or is this looking like pretty good? Like, I'm not really like seeing anybody here. Like, you know what I mean? Now, if only this thing was quiet. That's a lovely sound. All right, let's get out of here. Too many people over there. Sorry, officer, my foot slipped off the clutch, dude. My feet are wet. One thing I do need, though, is seats and a new steering wheel, because this steering wheel is so big, it's so hard to freaking grab onto. And seat, because I slide around. It's not really that bad in the rain, but holy, it's still there. It's pretty good. Holy. Now that, my friends, is beautiful. So is this. What the heck is this garbage? What is all this stuff? What is going on here? They got freaking, what is all this, the stuff that they're building? Okay, this is kind of closed off. I need something more open because, yeah, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Let's go over to this parking lot. I need more space. Rolling the windows. Oh my God, yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, there's a little pole right there. Oh, there's another one right there. I hope you guys can see. I keep like moving the GoPro up, I think. I can't look at the freaking preview, obviously. Oh wow, all right, yep. Jeez, I'm scared to go anywhere else. I can't see anything. Oh, this is perfect for figure eights, dude. Ooh. Yep, not trying to go into that. No, thank you. Jeez, I need a handbrake. Like, this is super uncomfortable to hit. Doesn't even work that good. You need to tighten the handbrake. That was a little dicey. That was a good one, one-handed too. All right, so handbrake is a lost cause. I need to tighten it up. But I'm just gonna wait till I get a little handbrake extension. I'm trying to use less of the clutch so I don't freaking run through it. Brake. Goodness. Alright, you know what? I think it might be time to get out of here. Been around here too long, too many people driving by, and this thing is incredibly loud. I need good headlights, holy. Hey, but this thing is fun though, oh my. Beautiful. Seems to be running pretty good. I don't know if, I didn't tell you guys, but let me roll the windows up. I did not tell you guys, but I put a new, I did a little cooling system upgrade. Last radiator blew up, or it didn't blow up, but one of the hoses would keep popping off every time I try to like go under load, try like skidding. And like where the hose connects to the little end on the radiator. A little plastic piece popped off, so that's why the hose wasn't staying. So I got a new radiator, CSF, fully aluminum radiator. Upgraded water pump, aluminum water pump pulley, and what else? Didn't know, I had to take the thermostat off anyways, or I was gonna be in there. So I was like, okay, I'll change the thermostat as well, because I've heard that's a little failure point. I think it was new though, because previous owners put on an aluminum thermostat housing, which is another failed area of this car. So there was that, and then I think that's it. New belt, but that's irrelevant. But yeah, that's really. I also got new wheels, but they are not fitted yet. But that's gonna be. I'll put that in another video. But cooling system seems to be holding up pretty well, which is good. Everything works. I installed it correctly. No more issues. Cross my fingers. Okay, well, I was gonna swing her in here, but why are there's two cars coming out of this? Really? This literally, it's like dude, I cannot see. Okay, this is like a dry parking lot. This is like dry. What, dude? Right next to the road too. It's a little sketch, but I'll just whip a couple monkeys and bounce. Alright, let's get out of here. Nah, parking lot sucks. I love doing that when I'm swinging it in that second gear shift. I'm probably just gonna, this is just gonna be mostly raw footage. My fault. Mostly raw footage of me just learning how to drift in this thing, because I don't know, I'm not obviously going to be good right away, so it's always good to just leave the failure points in here too. I'm gonna give these people a show. Either I crash or they I enjoy me swinging this corner pretty good. So I gave him a show, I reckon. Oh yes, thank you. Oh, it's coming down pretty good. It's snowing pretty good. It's not sticking though, but dang, the snow's coming down pretty good now. Look at this. Oh, hold on. I'm not swinging this corner. I'm not good with left turns yet. I mean, I can do that. I can probably do that much, maybe a little bit more, but that's about it, bruh. Crossing signs mean school, which school on the right, and it is 7 o'clock on a Saturday, which means no jits are there. Oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, that's a retirement home and a school, or yeah, no, yeah, no. Ooh, look. Let's go inspect this. See what we got going on over here. That's kind of stinky parking lot, kind of. It's like closed and yeah, it's stinky. There's not a lot of. What is this? Monkey me with the dead end. What the heck is that stud? Welded diff U-turn in the rain as well. Car's literally like crab walking. Gave them a show. This side of the parking lot, there was a car sitting in there, and that did not look. Okay, that kind of looked like a cop. Come on, go. I don't know. There's a cop in that parking lot. I mean, okay, there was something in that parking lot. It was a car, like it was just in the back, blacked out. Looked like he was like hiding. That was a little sketchy. So let's just take it through this hood. Someone's having a little party. One thing I have not learned is clutch kicking. I have not learned it, like from a stop, like doing one of these little clutch, like if I'm like, you know what I mean? I have not figured out how to do that. I don't really want to figure out how to do that on the street. We were here earlier. No way. Beautiful. I've realized that when drifting, you just kind of let the car do do what it wants. The car will do what it wants, and you just gotta like grab onto the wheel at right times. I'm not like, I don't need to feed the wheel, turn the wheel, or nothing like that. God dang, it's really snowing now. Maybe we really are supposed to get like 4+ inches of snow. Jeez, bro. Hey, peep the sound system though with the FM transmitter and the stock E36 speakers. Nah, the bass is the best part. Let me turn it up. That bass hitting, dude. That bass hit. All right, boys. Well, I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna head over to a buddy's house right now. Just chill there. I probably won't go out later. It'll probably be too crazy later. But yeah, boys. Just thought I'd do some little drifting clips, little driving POV drifting clips before I head over there. But yeah, boys. Appreciate you guys watching the video today. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more. But yeah, boys. Appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm gonna bounce.